talk to Jerry Stevens with Farm Bureau Insurance, and let's talk about the process here. I know everyone's out here helping, cleaning up, but what's next? And that's where your company, Farm Bureau Insurance, comes in. What are you guys doing right now?
Well, with Farm Bureau, our goal is to take care of our insureds. That's what we strive for, helping you is what we do best, and we use that slogan. We take it very seriously, and anything we can do to help our insureds, we're out there on the ground. We got agents, adjusters on the ground right now that are going out literally as we speak and taking care of our customers, looking at the damage and assessing each situation. And
damage, I mean, the office building here was obliterated. But
you see what we got going. We got a track hoe running. We put our sign back up. We just brought a mobile home in here, and we just figured, hey, if we don't start progress, nobody's going to follow. So somebody's got to be the leader, and Farm Bureau's the leader. So that's what we decided to do.
And people think, oh, Farm Bureau, you only kind of insure farms, but you insure also homes and businesses around here.
Homes, businesses, life insurance, commercial property. We do everything. Our farmers, what originally started our company, and we branched out, and we serve everybody in the community.
You live 4 miles from here. Take me back to Friday night when you had the warnings. You heard the storms coming through. What was going on?
Actually, I was at a senior prom at Lake Washington, not far from here, about 10 miles from here, with my son's a senior, and so we were there, and we started getting warnings on our phones, and we got to looking at the sail coming toward Rolling Fork, and we all looked at it and said it's going to be a dead hit, me and some other fathers. And one of the fathers there, Marty Long, his son called him, and he was actually in town. He called his dad saying, the house just collapsed on top of me. I need help to get out. Tornado just hit the town. So we all jumped in our trucks and come to town, and we worked all night helping people. I ended up at the hospital with my cousin, who's the CEO here, and we helped pull people out of trucks and help the wounded that were coming in on four-wheelers and side-by-sides and back of vans, and any way they can maneuver their way to town. The whole town was gridlocked with trees and debris.
Mississippi as a state, it's actually the poorest state in the nation. Do you think this will be kind of a death blow for this town, or people in this town when they come back, when they rebuild?
You know, I'm hoping. No, I hope this town comes back stronger than it ever was. We got great leadership here, and they're working tirelessly to help us. And with Farm Bureau leading the way here, we just had to have some ray of hope to start building back. And if one person doesn't start, the rest of them aren't going to do it. So that's I actually own a small business. I own the car wash. Two lots down, I lost my car wash, and I lost my laundromat here in town. But we're fixing to start building the car wash back. If somebody doesn't start, nobody's going to follow. But everybody here is resilient. Everybody's helping each other. It's like family. Whether you know them or not, you just reach out and you help everybody. And same thing with Farm Bureau. That's what we do. That's who we're about.
Best in man. So
it can't beat us.
Jerry, thank you for your time.
Thank you, brother.
Best of luck to you.
Absolutely.
And you guys are doing the best. They got a building, they got the sign up, and they're doing the best to show that, hey, they're here and trying to rebuild. Again, Jerry says it takes one person to start that domino.